This is Millan Clean, industrial area number 5 in Kasais. It's a standalone warehouse complex, no neighboring warehouses. This is the main entrance. Electrical power 253 kilowatts, one entrance, this is, and one exit. This is the alley space, exclusively can be used for the laundry only, because a laundry requires a lot of storage space of trolleys, of a lot of other things. And behind this is the utility room area. The foundation is already constructed for boilers, water tanks. There's a security room behind, and it can also have 3 or 4 people stay here. This is where the vehicle will stop, and the ramp for soil linen storage area and sorting, and the logistics and shift supervisor's office space goes onto a foundation where the pre-wash is done, the sink, all the hand wash is done, a solid foundation, and all the washers start from here. So these are all fully refurbished machines. Enough space left. These machines will go. So there'll be a lot of waiting work in progress space. The dryers will be here. These are fully refurbished Girbau 100 kilos per cycle dryers, which can dry in about 15 minutes compared to 55-60 minutes in normal commercial laundries. That's the security room and staff accommodation. There's a separate entrance possible if you want to do any other segment separately with a separate entrance and a separate exit. So there's enough space for expansion and for operations. This is something which most laundries miss. They try to put all the machines in one place, and it doesn't ensure a smooth flow of linen. And here we have the highlight, the refurbished. It's not refurbished yet. This is the Girbau 1.2 meters into 3.3 meters, 2 rolls with a folder and a stacker. This is a Lapau, Belgium. This is Girbau, Spain. So between these two machines, the laundry can process about 1,500 bed sheets in an hour, which is close to 1.2 tons an hour, which is about 30 tons. For the 10 tons laundry, we're giving a flat work of about 25 tons, because that is where the bottleneck is, that is where the quality matters, that is where the speed matters, the efficiency matters. It comes through this space and it's ready for dispatch here. These are dryers for CBW systems. If the CBW system is installed tomorrow, if the CBW system is installed at a later stage, this is where it will come, and the dryers will come here. So there's enough space for expansion. That's the towel folder, which is going to be refurbished and kept here. So it is the shortest distance possible between workstations with ample space for work in progress. In phase 1, garments are taken to the mezzanine floor, which is a proper large concrete mezzanine floor through the staircase. In phase 2, we have a provision for a service lift when the laundry crosses 10-12 tons. There is a provision already made for service lift. So this is a vast space for garment processing. We have a dry cleaning machine, we have small washers, we have all the finishing equipment that's going to be coming here. And a large space, as you can see, huge space for sorting. This is where every laundry goes wrong, in their space for sorting, for pre-sorting, for post-sorting. So this will be a very smooth operation and with a huge space for expansion. There is a toilet. This is the office complex. One office here, one office there, and a large office conference hall here. One storeroom inside, and with a direct view to the entrance. So it's a proper workflow, coming in there, going out here. with enough space and height and so unlike most laundries, this is fully ventilated, cross-ventilated with several entrances, so the humidity levels are low especially because of the high ceiling and enough fans. So it's going to be a working atmosphere in this place is going to be very, very good. And of course, the most important are the fundamentals. It's an insulated warehouse. It has 253 kilowatts of power, which takes about 6 to 8 months and a cost of about 200,000 minimum for any other warehouse. It has a standalone space, a lot of alley space. It has free drainage, direct drainage to the municipality, so there is no trouble of, and the cost for wastewater discharge, municipal water. This is Alcazar's industrial area, so staff accommodation can be in walking distance for all types of staff, right from labor all the way to the managers. It's very, very close by. All the services are available close by, and there are no big laundries in this area. All of them have to go to DIP or Chibilali. So this can actually cover Dera, Bardubai with multiple deliveries a day, compared to the ones in DIP who will have to restrict their deliveries to one a day. Millan Clean Laundry, designed by Magna Rep.